Hey guys, welcome back to Up Quick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you Pauraju Weight Loss Shorts review. So you might be wondering what is the Pauraju Weight Loss Shorts that you may be hearing or seeing online. So Pauraju Weight Loss Shorts are a compression-style sauna shorts marketed to increase sweating while providing body shaping and compression around the waist, hips, and thighs. Now, according to the visual website here, the shorts uses what the company calls thermogenic microparticle technology and mention ingredients such as moringa and berberine, claiming that they help create a heat-generating effect during wear. Now, the manufacturer states that the shorts are designed to be worn for about 30 minutes per day. And according to the manufacturer here, the shorts works by trapping body heat to create a thermogenic effect while compressing targeted areas. The company claims that this increased circulation stimulates metabolism and supports fat burning while also helping contour the body. The website also states that the shorts are intended to target the waist, abdomen, hips, and thighs. Now, how do you exactly use these shorts here, or weight loss shorts? Now, according to them, you just simply wear them over clean and dry skin or under your regular clothing. Manufacturer recommends wearing them up for approximately 30 minutes each day either during the normal day activities or while exercising. After use, follow the care instructions provided with the garment to help maintain its condition. Now, the official website here lists the shorts at starting at around $16.95, with the larger bundle options available at higher prices. Well, pricing and promotions may change over time, so I may need to check their website. And that's essentially how the Pauraju Weight Loss Shorts actually work. So they are designed to create heat and sweating while providing compression. However, official website here does not provide any publicly available independent visual studies here. So you may want to do a bit of more research that. And this applies for anything that you're buying online. So doing your research and viewing reviews outside the website is highly recommended. And since this is a health-related product, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional here before use is highly recommended, especially if you already have certain health conditions that may affect affect you if you try using the specific shorts here. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.